So as in the previous video, we calculated the nullity of T. Now, to calculate the rank, there's something to be noted. Really, as we progress, we don't have to modify these operations that we have here. We only have to re-examine the interpretation on this last column. So instead of having zeros here, here, and here, we will have the following description: B1, B2, B3. And then we'll just follow exactly the instructions that we wrote before. So for this one, it says to move from here to here, we have to subtract row 1 from row 3. So this one will not be modified, so I will have B1. This one is not modified, so I'll have B2. This one is modified, and it becomes B3 minus B1. If you look at the algebraic expression here, it's encoded in the instruction that we had here. So moving on, over here, we have this. We modify the first row by subtracting twice the second row. So this one becomes B1 minus 2B2. This one is not modified, so it's just B2. This one, now it's modified, and it becomes B3 minus B1 minus B2. And well, time to consider a few things, because in the calculation of the nullity in dealing with the null space, the information that we have here, this row of zeros, is essentially irrelevant, but now it becomes relevant here. Why? Because it indicates a restriction on the range. So what does it say? To be in the range for a vector B, described as B1, B2, B3, we must have B3 minus B1 minus B2 to be 0. If B is in the range of T. Oh, but look, what is it saying? Well, let's examine this equation. It's a homogeneous equation, and well, how many solutions does it have? Let's see. B3 minus B1 minus B2 is equal to 0. So another way of writing this is B3 is equal to B1 plus B2. So now we see a dependency. We have that B3 depends on these two, and B1 only depends on B1. B2 only depends on B2. So we can describe the following. Let B be a vector B1, B2, B3. So B is in the range of T if and only if we can describe B in the following manner. Well, B1, B2, B3. So what is this one? Well, this is B1 plus B2. Well, but I can decompose this in the following way. I have B1, 0, B1 plus 0, B2, B2. Further decompose it as B1 times 1, 0, 1 plus B2 times 0, 1, 1. Oh, so that says that the range of T is obtained by the following generating set. But it's not